Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very technical but important issue to handle, which is how to fix the dreaded Htaccess server error. If you are seeing a 500 internal server error or other connectivity issues on your website, do not panic, because these are common and usually easy to resolve. In this guide, I will walk you through the essential steps to troubleshoot your server, adjust your configuration, and get your site back online in no time. If this video helps you get your website running smoothly again, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful web hosting tips. Let us dive right in. To start the process, open your web browser and log in to your Htaccess account. Once you are on the main dashboard, navigate to the Websites section. From here, click on the specific website that is experiencing the server error to enter its management dashboard. First, we need to inspect your file structure. Look for the File Manager tool on your dashboard and open it. Once the File Manager loads, navigate to the public_HTML folder. This is where your core website files live. You'll want to look for a file named .htaccess. Right-click this file and choose the Rename option, then change it to .htaccess_backup. This effectively disables any potentially conflicting configurations in that file. After that, head back to your primary website dashboard and look for the PHP configuration section. This is a common culprit for server errors, as your site might be hitting its memory limit. Once you are in the PHP configuration settings, locate the memory limit option and increase it to 256 megabytes. This additional headroom often fixes issues related to heavy plugins or scripts. After you have updated the memory limit, return to the main dashboard menu and find the Cache Management or Website Cache Clear button. Clear your entire website cache and try reloading your site. In many cases, these steps will resolve the error immediately. However, if you are still facing difficulties, the best step is to use the help icon to contact Htaccess support directly so they can inspect your server logs. Before you go, remember to keep your site updated and monitor your error logs periodically to stay ahead of these issues. If this tutorial helped you resolve your server problems, please hit that like and subscribe button for more tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.